honeys. This is another video of a few random days in my life, and it is also from a couple of months ago, from before my phone broke. And any products that I mentioned should be in the description box below if I can find them and remember to do it. Let's watch. I forgot what time it is. It's 2:15 in the afternoon on Monday. I'm tired. I'm about to take off my makeup and I'm gonna have to catch a nap. I'm not even really sure what time I woke up. I like the eyeshadow today. I got some mascara. It is Absolute Lashes. And it looked really awesome, and then I opened it and it was totally dry. So that sucks. And I still need mascara. I'm taking my makeup off. I'll go to sleep. I can't help it. I'm dozing off. I got something that's really cool. I never really used before. Micellar water. That is sorcery right there. Wow. I would normally go in with some of the micellar water after I use these makeup wipes. The last few times I did it, I could tell there was still stuff on my face. Pretty sure I'm just gonna go to sleep. Oh, hey, it's probably close to 9. I think I woke up about 8:30 p.m. Took a good 6-hour nap. I got a coffee cup today. Look how cute. Also, I made some more body scrubs and body polishes. So I want to show you guys. And I'm going to sweep the floor first and make my coffee. All right. This one is mint chocolate chip. It's probably the coarsest of the scrubs that I made. It's got coffee ground in it, white sugar, brown sugar. It smells good though. So this one's kind of thick. This one is pumpkin spice. It is not quite so coarse. It is mostly just white sugar and brown sugar. This one is spearmint. And it is also one of the thinner ones that I have. I love that. It smells so good, spearmint. Then there are these. These smell so good. I did not put the brown sugar in here because I didn't want it to be brown. This is Tropical Garden. I actually called it Tropical Garden because of all the coconut oil. It has it smelling kind of tropical, and I think a little lemon, but it also has rose and lavender. I'm about to use this. Try to put this mask on. I found this at Marshall's today for $3. I don't know how much it was before that. $8, I think. That's not bad. It's a champagne and white peach face mask. It has actual silver stars in it. And it smells really good. Made by M&G Australia. I was going to put this on and I tried to use my chip clip to hold my phone together and it won't hold my phone together anymore. It just does that. So I need extra hands and arms. I have little silver stars all over my face. It's a little bit sticky. It's 10 p.m. I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to wipe most of this off while I finish this video.
I'm going to use the mask removing sponge thing to get the rest of it off. So, I'm not sure what it was supposed to do. I'm going to double check that, and we'll see what we think. I mean, for $3, it didn't hurt me. So, we'll see. Hopefully it didn't break me out. I got this in my Ipsy bag, and it is moisturizer by Purlisse. It's Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Aqua Bomb sounds like it would feel real good. Let's try it. As it's a moisturizer, and it's time for me to put on a moisturizer. It's about 10:30. This reminds me of when I was little and I had a strawberry shortcake, and you like squeezed her stomach and she blew out air because her mouth was like, when her breath smelled like strawberries somehow. It's really weird, actually, now that I think about it. Let's put this on. Oh, it's very thick. There's a little tiny hole. What's going on here? I had to stab this with a paper clip. Now let's see. Oh! Well, it's so hard to hold my phone together. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. It's like a whitish clear. I'm pretty sure it said it was for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, I like this. My face is cooling. It's lightweight, oil-free gel cream. Refreshes and moisturizes. That is true. It does both of those things. I like it. I know I need to keep using it, so I'll know how it really is, but I like this. Ugh, my hair's so dumb. Good morning. Okay, it's like 1 o'clock, 1:30 in the afternoon. Having a hard time holding my phone together, and that's hard to do with one hand. Hi. Look. She got that mouse last night. My hair's weird. I need a new phone. It doesn't even have to be new, it just needs to work. Kinda need to do something else to my hair. Oh, it's curly. What's up with the middle part, Katie? Freya, what are you looking at? Hey, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Your tail's cute. Oh my gosh. I need to talk about something for a second. I need to talk about this. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in porcelain. Oh. So good. You don't understand. Normally you can see foundation on my face, and I've been wearing this for 6-7 hours now. It's like 1:30 in the morning, and I'm not sure what it is. I think it's the combination of all these things. I have to talk about this.
L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Perfecting Loose Powder. Oh, God, I love it. This melts right into my skin. It doesn't just float on top of everything looking like some cakey business. It's so pretty. This right here. This Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Anyway, I recommend those 3 things if anybody cares. For my hair today, I'm using Garnier Fruit Tea Style. It is the Wonder Waves Wave Enhancing Spray. Flexible hold. Soft, tousled waves. Frizz control. I did my hair like 10 hours ago or more. It's great. It was better before, but it's still good now. I recommend this. No one's paying me to say any of these things. I wish to the gods that they would. Zeus, Thor, Iron Man. Wait, that's the Avengers. Okay, wait, who's another god? Venus, Aphrodite, Thor. Yeah. What you doing? It's a moth. I need to stop looking at that light.